Hello, so in this particular section, we are going to talk about Object Snap. All right, so Object Snap is one of the most important tools in AutoCAD when it comes to making or drawing precise drawings. All right, so when it comes to Object Snap, this is a tool that helps us identify points that will be endpoint, midpoint, intersection points, insertion points, those important points. And to activate the object snap is located under the status bar. This icon over here, this is the object snap. And when you're using it, make sure it is on. So to turn it on, just click on it until you see it is highlighted. It means it is on. So after you turn it on, next to it is a drop down menu. When you click on it, you're going to see different points when it comes to AutoCAD. These are the points that are identified by AutoCAD. We have the endpoint, we have the midpoint, we have center, we have geometric center, we have node, we have perpendicular, we have insertion, extension, tangent. They are all very important. So for the endpoint, it helps us to know where our points end, all right, or maybe corner points. So we can just activate the line command, hit L, enter. When you bring your cursor over here, as you can see, there's that tooltip called endpoint, and that green box, it automatically shows you that that's a corner point and that's an endpoint. So once you click on it, it identifies another endpoint, as you can see by that green rectangle on it. Another point we can try and identify is the midpoint. All right, so when you hover your line over here, when you hover your line, it doesn't tell you where the middle point of this line is. But to make that visible, what you're going to do, we're going to toggle on or check the midpoint under the object snap. So when you check it, you're going to notice that that green triangle appears, and automatically it tells you that's a midpoint. So once you hover along a line, it's going to identify points for you, whether it is endpoint, whether it is the midpoint, whether it is insertion point. As long as it is on, it's going to identify that particular point for you. So now we can have that line over there. Then let's hit escape. Let's turn on the center. Let's have maybe the line command, or maybe we can have the circle command for us to see that particular point. Maybe we can have the circle command. That is, the shortcut key to circle is C. Hit enter. Specify a center point. We can just have a random radius. Then maybe let us have now a line across that circle. Hit enter. As you can see, when I'm hovering around the boundary of this circle, automatically this plus sign appears. All right, it is trying to tell us that at that particular point, that is the center of that circle. And if you want to draw a line, you can start either at that particular point. Now we can have our radius line. Okay, now we have our center line. That is how we actually use object snap. You can use object snap to identify a lot of points. Maybe we can check a few. Yes, we can try and check this intersection because we notice an intersection between this line and the circle. As you can see, that green point appears telling us there is an intersection at that particular place. So if you want to draw maybe a line or an object from that place, it automatically shows you where the exact point is. And that is how we use the object snap. Yes, see you on the next section.